I can't wait to show you the transformation of this $10.50 table that I got at Goodwill. Okay, so I picked up this table today from Goodwill, and it's solid wood, and I just want to really make it raw wood looking and natural, and just let the beauty of the wood shine through. It's in bad shape up here. I think if I take the stain off and maybe put a protective wax on it, I'm not sure, I'll be happy with it. So anyway, it was $10.50, and I'm going to do the easy off method, give that a shot and see how that goes. So here we go. Okay, so here's the easy off I got. I got the fume free. Hopefully I didn't need the heavy duty, but I'm just gonna spray it on and I guess leave it for a few minutes and see what happens. Okay, I've got it all sprayed, and the instructions say to leave it for an hour and 15 minutes. So I guess I'll come back and check on it then, see what's happening. Okay, so the easy off has been sitting on here for about an hour and a half, and now I got this brush like this, and I'm gonna try to rub it off, see what happens. A whole lot of nothing. Nothing is happening. Since the easy off didn't work, I'm going to go back to my tried and true method and use Citristrip covered with saran wrap. And now I'm just removing the saran wrap because it's been on for probably an hour, and I don't even mess around with scraping it. I use a power washer and just power wash the stripper and whatever finish it takes with it off, and it usually does a really good job, and then I just have to sand after that. Okay, so yesterday this is the spot where I had applied some of the wax, and I got a little scared because it definitely looked more yellow after I applied the wax, but now it's about 24 hours later and you cannot see where I applied the wax at all. It looks the same as the rest of the table. So I'm going to go ahead and apply wax to the rest of the table. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours since I put the wax on, and you can see right there it's still a little dark. That was the last spot I waxed. So probably in a few hours that will be totally gone and the table will be looking like raw wood but having a protective coating. And I can add more layers of the wax if I need to, if I feel like it needs more protection out here. So anyway, and it looks like right here I need to kind of rub it in a little better with the paper towel or a rag. So yeah, wax on, wax off, right? I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you'll hit the like and subscribe, and be sure to hit the bell so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. If you'd like to see more of my home or more of my tips, be sure to check out the rest of my channel. If you'd like more information about my home or my floor plans, you can find them on my website, which I'll link below in the description.